glad that you all are organizing well. And today I will teach you all some more organizing skills. And I will teach you all some more time management skills because अभी आप लोग superstars बन गए हो, आप लोग web series में आने वाले हो, so you all should know how to juggle time, right? So when you sit to study, okay, I want you to be happy with what you're studying or with whatever activity you're doing. अगर आपको उस वक्त गाना गाना है, please sing a song. अगर आपको उस वक्त drawing करनी है, please go ahead and do your drawing. I want you to make a schedule for yourself. So when you put your schedule down, do not write the subject name. हम लोग जनरली क्या रखते हैं 11 to 11:30 English, 11:45 to 12:15 Marathi. So do not write the name of the subject. Just write subject. Just write activity. So what happens is अगर आपका एक्टिविटी का टाइम है और उस वक्त अगर आपको ड्राइंग करने का मन है, you will be happy doing drawing.
And 1, 2, 3, roll, 1, 2, 3. It's good, you guys. Okay, Zoom high five. I know we cannot touch, but high five. Yay! Everybody does a high five. Yeah, don't hit the camera. Okay, the camera goes flying. Don't hit the camera. Okay. Good job, everyone.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yeah, very nice. Lovely, very beautiful. You can add a little bit of dots here also. You had created a line with the dots now. You can add some more here. So it will give more depth. Who else?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Very nice.
Ma'am, how is it?
Very nice. Beautiful.
Ma'am, this is mine.
Anushka, very nice. Jagriti, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, any changes to be done in this?
More dots can be added near this line, this area. So it will give more depth.
So आज की जो डिश है ये बच्चों की डिमांड पे है, चॉकलेट बार है, राइट? कोकोनट पाउडर में आपने पहले शुगर डालना है, फिर आपने कोको पाउडर डालना है, राइट? Right. Now we will add Amul cream.
Sir, for 1 hour we have to keep in the
Yeah, you have to keep it for 1 hour. Minimum 1 hour. Freezer में रखना है बेटा.
Okay, sir.
जो आपका मन करे वो गाओ, but make sure that it's on. ये बहुत चलना जरूरी है, नहीं तो कोई फायदा नहीं. See, first of all, whenever you go outside to sing, for both of you. So you are not going to, either you will start and the instrumentalist will follow you. Otherwise, the instrumentalist will give you a note and you have to follow the note. You should be trained for both the conditions. You can't say कि no, you don't give me the note, I'll give you the note. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है? So sing on this one. See, try and replicate. Sing this. Sing. अभी गाओ.
निर्गुण और न्यारी तुम देखते न हमरा कौन नाही हमरी उलझन.
हाँ. So उलझन में it shouldn't sound like हमरी उलझन. No. हमरी उलझन. Yeah. It's उलझन. L को you have to L sing L in your mouth only. L shouldn't be clear out there. हमरी उलझन. क्या? हमरी उलझन. हाँ, ये उल नहीं करना है, उल होना चाहिए। हमरी उलझन, सिंग।
हमरी उलझन